What is going on, YouTube? Investor Donovan here, going to give you another video. So today's video is going to be on a DIY, how you can set up your like artist loft apartment and with under like $500 or such. Um, and most of that came from what I'll show you in the video actually, but you can do it for less than 500 as well. So I have a very small apartment here. I may have like a kitchen in there, but there's not much more than that. So I'm going to turn on the lights so you can actually see, but just kind of give you a little overview quick here. All right, so I'm going to get the lights on here for you. So I'm just going to start in one corner and basically work my way around. So I'm going to start with what I got here. This I bought from Kohl's. This whole setup here didn't really cost too much. I think I spent like maybe like $100 on it, and I bought some little things right there to just kind of make it pop a little bit. And that whole setup entirely was maybe like $150. Lights, $5. Super cheap, and it's nice because if you put it all the way around like that, all the way around, it will make the whole top just glow, and it looks really nice at night. I think I spent like $40 on this, and don't mind the TV or that because that's not really things you need. But for about $500, you can get a really nice setup, and maybe you can even get it cheaper. I just know it's roughly how much I spent myself. So this can rotate all the way around. Kind of show you that here, which is really nice to have because maybe I'm doing something over there and want to watch TV or see what's going on, and I can also turn it if I'm laying in bed as well. Bed's a whole different story. I'm not really going to go into details about that. And then I got my laptop here. I actually want to show you guys something really quick. Just going to go to my channel here. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And then I actually picked these up at Walmart here. They're super cheap. I think I spent like $10 on them. And that just covers up the windows here. And then we have the lights still going all the way around. So this is what I really want to go into details about here. So this is my computer setup. I have another setup in the kitchen as well. So this was about like $100. Besides the monitors and that, it's not something you need, but I definitely wanted that. So I have that set up right here. And then, of course, the internet. Got that right there. But this is what I like. I actually got a really nice deal. I spent $50 on that. So, and it changes colors and everything. It's really nice to have. It really makes it homey in here. And it can blow out heat now. I don't know if I'm going to leave it there and actually have it blow out heat. It just looks very unsafe. But I do have it there for the looks, and I love it. Love having this go at night. And then I just have some simple things on the wall here, just to make it stick out a little bit. And I think I went to Hobby Lobby and spent like $20 on both of those things there. And that's me as a baby. And then I actually bought this because I don't have a door. So I bought that. That's kind of nice to have, especially if you have somebody over or something. And then this I bought just recently as well. And then just a closet. But this is my room, guys. If you have any questions, where I got this stuff from, or if I can help, or if you need help decorating your place, send me an email, leave a comment, and don't forget to hit that like button. And please subscribe, guys. I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.